my short. Happy Juneteenth. I finna light some
Hi, my trainee.
and I'm finna light some sparklers, fireworks and stuff. It was just a massive firework back then.
Yeah.
And it was literally crazy. Got to tell you. Whatever.
That's cool.
Y'all, it's dark out here. And I'm telling you, it's dark. It's dark. And, this is why I know my brother that do too much. I got a lighter. Yeah.
Stop flicking it down, right? You see it?
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Are you looking at it?
Yes. I already saw it. Okay. Time to march my little booty on. March. I'm gonna have to Okay. See us. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go. 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 Look at the fireworks. Can y'all see the fireworks? Look at them. Well, that was sarcastically boring. Y'all, my daddy finna write this. My daddy finna write this. Look at him. He walking. He walking. He walking. He walking. Thank you, man. Scoot back. Scoot back. He's lighting it. Oh. Take it, man. Stop. Get up. Okay.
Run.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Woo.
Back, guys.
Look, y'all. Pretty chill. Yeah, this is low-key kind of chill. That was low-key kind of chill. Huh? Oh, some chips?
Some dip.
Yeah, chips and dip.
What's that?
Just take a few of them to do
Chips and dip.
Y'all want some of y'all here? You want dip?
Dip.
Want dip? You want smoke?
Mm.
You don't want dip?
It's just gonna be like pause, like the fireworks is gonna be paused for a little second. You can just hear the music in the background, so let me just shut up. I feel heat. I feel heat in my throat. Can we light something else?
Might go, man. Bro, hey, bro, why you take the whole thing?
You big, bro. Nigel, he big.
Nah, let go.
Let go. The bag ain't yours. Hello. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I've been waiting for this moment.
Look what you crying about, bro. Come on, I better cry. Fuck out of here with this shit.
No.
Right here.
lighter, please. Thank you. I'm finna go light another one, if you can see it. I don't feel like turning my flashlight on. Sorry, guys. We're gonna light it right here. Y'all can see it. Oh, Jesus. 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 Go back. Go back. Go back. Look. Woohoo! Look at all these fireworks. Whoa. There was so much smoke. That was so cool. I know, right? Fires.
Wow, guys, that's cool.
I know, right? Burn the ground. Can I light anything else? Well, here we go.
Not loud at all.
It's not loud.
I told you it wasn't loud.
Dad, the lights on.
Pirate! Come on, let's go. Look at this, everybody. Got another one.
Right. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Where is that? Touch it.
Exactly.
I did it.
Okay, let's go light this up. What's the lighter? Oh, it's only 3. Damn it. Why is it only 3? Let me just new room. Okay, y'all can see it. I'll try. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Wow! Bye, everybody. That's it for now.